Hi everyone, so today I'm just going to show you another interesting functionality for Cirrus data, that is the Excel add-in. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to make use of it. So just open the Insert tab there and then click on Get Add-ins and then search for Cirrus. Once you search for that, then you get that and then you click on Add and then Continue. Of course, on your home button there, it should find the most empty space to have it. There it is. Of course, there comes. So first you'll be required to log in with the same login details you used for the online platform. I'm just gonna log in and then show you how to make use of it. Let's say you're looking for Namibian inflation and Angola inflation. You're just gonna start typing there, then should populate for you all the indicators that are linked to the word inflation. Of course, you can see some asset prices indicators there. So I'm gonna choose Namibian inflation, and then let's say if you start typing, then it to get all the indicators similar to or maybe that are related Namibia inflation. Of course, you see some credit extension numbers there and some dividend prices there and yields. And of course, I'm looking for Angola inflation. I'm just gonna type Angola inflation. Then there it is on the top there. I'm looking for annual inflation. The default, I mean the frequency, I can just keep it to default because I'm looking for monthly data. Of course, I can choose to set the date limit. Of course, if you delete that, then it will pull the whole time series. If you remove all the dates, then you tell the system that it should populate the whole time series that is available on the database. Suppose I'm gonna choose to get 2016 from January 31st and click on that until the latest data. I'm gonna click on I want it to be populated from A1. Just gonna click on the data. There I have my whole time series based on the limits that I've put there. So another interesting functionality here is that let's say if I have a chart that is linked to this time series here, just gonna insert the chart here, then add it to my PowerPoint presentation that I use every month. Let's say it's a meeting or so, and there you have it. Let's say these are the preceding months from today. Of course, I can just remove that from the chart and all this data gets updated every month. So what I'm gonna do is just that, okay, the data or Angola inflation came out today or Namibian inflation came out today. So I'm just gonna select that from the row that has indicator, then all the way to the last date that I want the system to update the time series. So if I want it to update until August, or let's say all this data gets updated, I'm just gonna drag that down and then highlight from the top from that and then until there. And then you just click on update and then the system pulls all the data that you want to update. Of course, your PowerPoint presentation is also updated, or you can just go there and then click the refresh data. Of course, they you have your updated function. So this works similar to the search function on our data portal, which is just you just click once you log in. Of course, you land on the free dashboard. Just click the one above there, and then you can choose to, let's say if you're looking for inflation, just go type in inflation and then find indicator. Of course, you can choose the start or end date, and you should be able to get that. Of course, I'm looking for annual inflation on Namibia. The chart, you can choose to download it into your Excel. It comes in the format, in the similar format as the Excel edit. You can see there you have the units, the data source, and the chart itself, it's interactive. You can choose to zoom in by just doing that, and then zoom out by double clicking. You choose zoom if you like clicking, then you can just do that. And then if you spot something that is not really looking good, of course, let's say that looks like an outlier, but it's not, just some high inflation there, just click on the button there that says report it. Then you can choose what is really not making sense there. Then you just type in the comments, let's say Freddy fix that, and then of course I'll be able to attend that. Below here, we see the related indicators to the above indicator, was the consumer price index itself, the monthly inflation. Then there you see all the reports linked to that inflation indicator. Was you see some reports or the notes on monthly inflation that comes out from the NSA. You can choose to download it directly from here, or you can read it on the platform if you don't like using much of your space in the computer. So there you have the report. This is a report by Hallelujah, and you can choose to like interested in just download it from there, and then your computer in PDF. So that's basically it. Just to go back to show you some of the other things, just the most search functions or indicators. Because you see the inflation for the time of COVID, and private sector extension there, and then some vital data. Of course, once you click there, you see all the indicators that are marked as vital here are there. So that's basically it on the Excel add-in and the search functionality for Cirrus data. See you in the next episode. Yes.